Okay, today guys, I'm just going to show you how to easily install a song to your iPod device. This works with any version. Mine's just the first generation with the 4.0.1. Okay, just download the song that you want. That one's not there. Okay, let's download this one. Yeah, there you go. Okay, it's gonna say all this shit. Wow. Okay, just shit. Put that and just click enter. Should save right there. And to show you the song, I'm just gonna open it up. Remove what? Let's go to my deletes. My recycling them. Right there. Where is it? Okay. Did it even save? Yeah, it saved. Never mind. Then just go to here. Then just go down. Click this. Click apply. Then it will sync. Okay, now just wait for it. I barely have any memory on it because I just restored it. It's just backed up, return sync. And your iPod shouldn't say in the top, right at the top above your battery, sync and process. Okay, wow, it's finished sync. Sync is complete. Okay, disconnect. I'm not, because I'm just going to go to music. And here. Just wait for it to load.
Stay in here.
Okay, there.